Hi, this is lesson 2 in my student video series, and now we're actually going to start plucking strings, so that's pretty exciting. So I want to start out by just telling you what the strings are on the harp. The harp is what's called a diatonic instrument, and what that means is the scale that you have at your disposal has 7 notes in it. The full Western scale is a 12-note scale. So if you look at the piano keyboard, you'll notice that there's a repeating pattern of black notes and white notes that starts over every 12 notes. In the case of the harp, we only have a 7-note scale. So that would be similar to if you were just to play the white notes on the piano. You'll notice on the piano that there are 5 black notes and 7 white notes. So that's essentially what I have in my scale. And the scale is represented by letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts all over again. How do you tell what note you're on? Well, the harp is color-coded, so basically it's also fairly intuitive. The C's are red, and the F's are blue, and basically everything else you can find based just by counting up or down from those C's or F's. So here's my A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The harp is also really similar to the piano in terms of the hand assignments. My right hand is going to take melody, and my left hand is going to take rhythm and harmony. So basically, for the most part, my left hand, which can reach all the way down to these bass strings, is going to be playing down here. My right hand is going to be playing up here. In the case of this harp, which is a very standard-sized floor harp, this is my middle C. So this is the equivalent of your middle of the piano. And the scale, the staff rather, is just the same for harp as it is for piano. So a lot of piano music can be played verbatim on the harp as long as it's not what we call chromatic or a 12-note scale. If it's a 7-note scale, which really most folk music is, then usually you can just transpose almost automatically from one to the other. So those are the notes on the harp, and thus concludes this lesson.